Good morning, India Manekinte. Good morning. I am Mommy. You can call me Jennifer, English name. My Igbo name is Amarachi. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share for better understanding. So today, my topic is life cycle. I am going to be talking about life cycle, how one's life be. Okay, so how to know your life cycle, what works for you and what doesn't work for you. One of the things that make people um work to follow another person's life cycle is greed. Okay, cycle that is a greed that can make one to do what, work on another person's life cycle. And also jealousy. Jealousy can make you work on another person's life cycle, which is not good for your health. Yes, I said that. Cycle that also. Talking about life cycle. Life cycle, the way the earth spin around is also how your own life spin around. There is this number in every month or in every day that there's this number when your life spin around like this. You go from A and then you come back again to Z, and then you go back again to A, and then you come back to Z. As it goes like this, there's always a number, a particular day or a particular month that is your lucky number. Okay, and also the same period of how your life go around like this is also the same way you things that work for you in each of the dots. All right, in each of the dots, things that work for you and things that doesn't work for you, they are also in all the circles. So how, if you, it can only take you to know your inner self, to know yourself properly, that that way you can be able to do what, to follow your life accordingly with full knowledge and with full understanding. By so doing, you will never find yourself living another person's life. You will never find yourself living a miserable life. You will never find yourself you will never find things much more difficult before you achieve it. Yes, knowing who you are and knowing your life cycle and knowing what works for you. By so doing, life, not that you won't be facing challenges. Challenges you only be facing is challenges of getting to the point. You don't, just like when you are climbing a mountain, you don't just one can't just jump and then get to the top of the mountain. Definitely you will do what, you will struggle and then get up to the mountain. Or you are climbing a step, you don't just jump and then get yourself on at the last step of the step. You only go what, step by step. By so doing, you only go, you struggle, you struggle little by little before you get to that step. That is the only trial time you may be facing. Yes, that is if you know your life cycle. Notice people that know their life cycle properly. Notice people that know what works for them. You will see that this kind of people, they mostly don't beg. You don't see them come around and then, please help me, I'm dying, I don't know what to do, please help me. You can only see them go out to seek for more knowledge in order to overcome what they are going through. Yes, you cannot see them to say, please, I am going this, I'm doing this, I'm dying, please help me, do this, do this. Those kind of people that know their life cycle, they only focus on their goal. They only focus on their dream and then try their best to get it right. They already know that not every situation they are in is attached with spiritual. If you know these things, you won't be spending your money all the time to the hands of spiritualists. For example, you want to buy a car. Obviously, you have to work to get that car. You can't just wake up and then expect miracle car to fall down for you to pick. No, have to work to get that car. During the time you are sacrificing to buy that car, this is the trial time you go through. That is if you know your life cycle, that if you know that this is the time for me to do this. All right, things mostly don't be difficult for you to achieve. Things don't mostly be difficult. There are people that know their lucky months. Their lucky months. Their lucky month, during that period of lucky month, they use it to gather the things that when they go through their trial time, the things they gather during the lucky month, they will not do what? They will not struggle so much during the trial time. That is why you see a lot of people, you will be wondering, this person, I've never seen this person this person have it all figured out. Not that they have it all figured out, they follow according to their life cycle. They don't look at the other side, they don't look at this side or this side, they don't look at who is doing well more than them. They only focus on that things that work for them. So know the things that work for you. By so doing, you are working with full knowledge of your life cycle. Yes, you are working with full knowledge of your life cycle. And also knowing the things that your inner self is proud of. By knowing the things of your inner self be proud of, knowing those things will make you do what? To work more on yourself. You work with confidence. You work with confidence, knowing that, well, by the grace of the gods, I have it all figured out. I'll find a way. I will do this. I will definitely find a way. That's why there are people born, they don't beg. You'll be wondering, how did this person? But this, you know the situation the person finds himself in. That you're wondering, this person finds himself in this situation. How did he come out of it? If I were him, God knows, I may not even survive it. Yes, you may not survive it because the person you're talking about, knows what works for him and he applied it to come out of it. So this is what you should learn. Learn on people that have it easy going. Although not everybody, every woman have their problem, but there are problems that every human, some people that are facing, those kind of problems, they already know that this problem is preparing me for something. What they do is focus. Okay, so you too, also, either you learn on how they are doing it instead of competing or trying to live like them. Just learn or ask questions or go about, know more about yourself. By so doing, things about it itself won't be that much difficult for you. Okay, thank you very much. Don't forget, there are people that have lucky numbers, lucky months. People, their lucky month fall in 7th month, 6th month, 5th month, 4th month, even all the months on each year. Everyone have their lucky period. It's not a month that when you were born is also your lucky month. There are people lucky enough to have their lucky month on that same month they were born. While there are people that they have even 2 months. 2 months as their lucky number. 2 months after they were born of their lucky numbers. So there are also people that have lucky days. They have lucky days on 7 days or 7th. The same way you, for example, your lucky month fall on 7th month. It's also 7th day. Your number is number 7. This is how it works. Your number is number 7. If your lucky month fall into 6th month, don't forget that it's also the 6th day. Also, your number is number 6. So how to know all those things? You just like when you watch about the circle life, the circle of your movie, your life, you begin to see the number, the dots, you count them. There are some people, they use what do they call it? Some things to pray. When they count it, they get the certain number, they pause, they make a calculation, then they continue again. So this kind of thing is just how your own life cycle works. All right. So when you know the dot of the numbers, you do what? You select them, work according to it, apply wisdom, invest on that lucky month, so that it will not do what? Be tampered by evil people. All right. So thank you very much for watching me. I wish I could go more, but I'm looking at the the minute, and also people that watch their time, their data, and all that. I pray that with time we will be sharing more data. We will be sharing more data so that people will take their time and watch and learn more about life, so that things won't be much difficult for everyone. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and share. And also look forward for our next topic. Look forward for our next topic. Our next topic will be about women. I'll be talking about the powers in women. Yeah. Thank you very much, and God bless.